Hello, first grade friends. This is Mr. Keller, your school counselor. I'm coming to you virtually for our school counseling lesson talking about something called careers. A career is when an adult goes into the work world using their training or education and earns money to help pay for needs and wants that the family has. Perhaps you know some adults who go into the world of work in their career. Maybe you might be thinking about someone at your house or Mrs. Bose or Mrs. M. We're going to be talking a little bit today about some specific kinds of careers in our community. Those are community helpers. We're going to learn a little bit more about what a community is, who these community helpers are, and talk a little bit about what they do. Right here is a picture of Brain Pop Jr. We're going to be getting on Brain Pop Jr. to learn a little bit more about these community helpers. And then you'll have a chance to talk a little bit about what your dream career might be when you get older. We're going to use this worksheet to talk about what our favorite career might be, what we think we'd like to do when we're older and we go into the world of work. You can see here that there is a box to draw a picture of you when you're older, doing your dream job. In this smaller box, you can write your name. Please make sure that your name is on your paper. And you can talk about what you would like to be. I would like to be a blank because blank. Tell us what it is about your dream job that you would like. If you would like to be a firefighter, tell us why you would like to be a firefighter. If you would like to be a teacher, tell us why you would like to be a teacher. If you would like to be a video game designer, tell us why you'd like to make video games. I hope you'll enjoy our Brain Pop Jr. lesson on community helpers, and I hope you enjoy drawing and writing a little bit about your dream job. Take care for now. See you soon.